My name is Ryan Begley with McIntyre Financial, and I'm here with Greg McIntyre. He is our estate planning attorney, founder, and owner of both companies.
And this is the McIntyre Financial Report. So we're going to talk today about, so your question is, here's the question. What does an estate planning attorney want to see as the financial plan from a financial planner?
That's exactly right.
In financial planning. What good is it to an estate planning attorney to have a good financial plan in place?
Yes.
And vice versa. How are the two connected? And why do they care? See, I think a lot of people don't know the difference. Okay? Yeah. I mean, I think a lot of financial planners and attorneys don't know the difference, to be honest with you, and how to work together.
I don't think they do at all.
So let's say, Ryan, I'm setting things up to pass by a will. But you have this idea, you want to pass them outside of the will by beneficiaries. That's a conflicting plan.
It is.
This will has heirs, maybe to send the grandkids to college, other things. You're routing it directly to other people. So we got to know, we have to know which path we're on and what tool we're going to use. Maybe we have a trust in place. That would be great to receive proceeds from life insurance. Or other investments, and annuities.
Us working together eliminates a lot of the confusion to where when people are like, what's the difference between beneficiaries, heirs, and all this stuff, they get into suing, they get into try to get in this. Your legacy goes to who you want it to go to, a direct path.
The path of least resistance is great. Also, to accomplish your plan and your goal. It could be to take care of a special needs child or grandchild in your life. And to do that, we might want that to route directly into a trust or a special needs trust when you pass away. And in order to do that, we have to have our beneficiaries set up correctly. We have to know the way we're doing it and the reason we're doing that. Or we have some financial asset or insurance that's going to fund that.
Yeah, you have that trust, take care of that person for the rest of almost the rest of their life, or at least the rest of the money.
Really the rest of their life, or as long as the money goes. That's right. That's exactly right.
That's
and then not also, like special needs trust planning is different. And you're trying not to upset a benefit that person needs, like SSI with the Medicaid healthcare component, which is super important, while also providing for money or resources for them to buy anything they need.
So is it true that they could get a life insurance policy and then make the trust the beneficiary and the trust could pay out?
Yeah, that would be a great scenario. Okay, so a great scenario there could be that you have a life insurance policy on yourself that funds a special needs trust with a lump sum of money, and then the trustee of the special needs trust simply buys whatever that person needs throughout their life, and it doesn't upset the benefits they receive.
And it could also be
that's a great plan. We could talk scenarios, and that's what I like to do. We ought to start seeing clients together.
It'd
be fun.
Hey, I think it'd be definitely.
I'd enjoy sitting down with clients and talking about the legal and financial side. Same thing for funding trust for grandkids to go to college, for example. You could have a trust for Jimmy, Susie, and Sally, right? And have a financial asset set up to automatically fund those trusts to send them to college, right? And then give them the rest at milestones in their life.
About as a farmer, let's say you have a farm. You say those taxes are going up on that farm every single month or every single year. And you're like, well, I'm going to put my life insurance in a trust and have that trust, that life insurance policy, start covering those taxes for my kids. So my generation before will not be eaten up in taxes so much. They'll get a little bit of a head start.
Right. Yeah. I mean, you could go through all sorts of thoughts and planning. It's really your story, but your story needs to make sense.
I think the
from the financial and legal side.
I think the best part of seeing these scenarios and me and you talking about it is showing how malleable it can be, showing how we can tailor it to their specific needs. And I think that's really, really cool. Because I think that will really help people. Right.
So, it's so important that you understand the legal planning side and financial side, or at least that you have professionals in your life that you do that can help you set up a correct plan for you and your family. If they would like to set up a free consult with you, Ryan, at McIntyre Financial.
And
right?
you can call me at 704-218-9223 or give me an email at ryan@mymcfi.com. That's RYANMC or MYMCFI.com.
That's right. That's right. You know, and on the legal side, certainly, we'd be glad to consult with them as well. But we'll air this through our law firm site as well as the McIntyre Financial site, and can't wait to help people craft a harmonious plan.
Oh, I like that.
And
harmonious.
you really want a harmonious plan, not one that grinds against each other.
Yeah.
And I mean, it is unreal and scary when you see how many people have either no legal plan or their legal plan is set up exactly the opposite of their financial plan, and there's no rhyme or reason or thought between the two.
Well, when I first got into insurance, I was dumbfounded. I was like, it was insane to me how many people do not have an estate plan and do not have insurance.
Right.
There's so many people that don't have insurance. So when they pass away or if something tragic happens to them, their families essentially just, you know,
they're leaving them short.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I mean, I got to replace myself, right? I have to send kids to college.
Yeah.
And replace my income.
All the legal avenues in the school and the training as a, you know, insurance agent, I learned that there's a lot of issues when the legal side meets the insurance side and they've been grinding against each other, like you said.
Sure.
There's a lot of suing. There's a lot of, you know, just getting lost in the waters, lost on technicalities, you know, stuff like that. And so that person's estate or that person's legacy did not go exactly where they wanted it to go.
Yep.
And that's sad. So
see it every day. People are shocked and surprised to see how their assets of their loved one, husband, wife, actually pass. And or folks that come in and are headstrong, that they know how they have it set up and they're exactly wrong. Right?
Yeah.
They're so wrong because they don't understand it, or they haven't. You know, you need somebody who understands it and can explain it to you, right?
Yeah.
In just straightforward terms.
Well, how many times have you seen, you know, somebody comes in and their heir or their beneficiary was like their ex-wife or something like that, where you're like, oh, like they wanted to change that and they didn't even know it was still on there.
Old snap moments.
My gosh.
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Give us a call if we can help you. We'd love to give you a free consult and talk about how to work to get your harmonious plan in place.
Harmonious plan in place.
All right.